Hey guys, Steve here. Well, I've just been out to the couriers. I had a slip in my mailbox saying there was a parcel coming. I've been waiting for it. So it's in this little package here. Weird looking bloody thing, isn't it? Look at that. So we'll get into the unboxing in a minute, but we'll get that opening intro out of the road, eh? And then we'll get into it. Cheers. Hey guys, Steve here. Thanks for tuning in. Well, like I was saying there before the intro, showed you this parcel here behind me that I had in the car. I've been waiting for this to turn up for a week or two. It's from Hillbilly Camp Gear, and it's a new camp oven and a new stand to put it all in. It's all Aussie made, so really pleased about that. And Ellie's been wondering what's in there too. She was just sniffing at it. She's been a little bit crook too lately. Had a bit of a stomach bug, so she's been on antibiotics, but she's running around again today and having a bit of a look around. So say hi, Ellie. Say hi. Hey, say hi. So she's feeling a bit better today. Even me, I've been under the weather a bit. I don't know whether you noticed my you can see my 5 stitches I've got in my hand there. Had a little bit of a skin cancer thing there taken off there last Friday, so it's all good though. It's come back all clear, so that's a beauty. Had a few scares through, one on my leg there a few years back, which wasn't a real good one, but just got to keep an eye on those things, guys. Yeah, it's part and parcel of living in sunny Queensland, and for me it was part and parcel of growing up on the mid-north coast and spending most of my time on the beach and stuff like that. So just make sure you keep an eye on them and you won't get in any trouble. So we'll get into this unboxing now, and we'll just have a quick look at it. I'm not going to go into too much detail. It's more just an unboxing. I'll just show you all the parts, and then we'll do a review and a cook up later on. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe too. Thanks guys, and if you want to know anything, like always, just leave me a message in the comments. Cheers. Yeah, so checked my mailbox yesterday and I seen this was delivered a couple of days ago. I've been pretty flat out at work. I got asked to do I normally start at 5 AM in the morning. I got asked to do a midnight 9 o'clock this morning, so I've had a few hours sleep today, but I want to get into this and show you all it's about. So I got my trusty little Leatherman here, and this has come all the way from Victoria. I bought it off Hillbilly Camp Gear. Thanks to Bob and Dean and for showing us this. Went camping with him at Gameri Bush Camp there a few months back, and he had one of these, and I was really impressed and wanted to get one of these. So I got on there the other day and ordered it, and rung the guy up, and I was actually talking to the owner the other day and had a bit of a yarn to him, and now I paid for this all myself. I bought it online. I didn't get any discounts or nothing like that. It was something I wanted, so like most things, if I want something I buy it, if I can afford it, that is. But give them points for wrapping it. She's in some sort of bag in here, and I just got to move my drink there before I spill it all. Just cut all this plastic off first and get that out of the road. Really looking forward to using this and getting out camping with it. It's looks pretty good, I reckon. I don't know whether it's sealed in here. No, it's not. So it was a bit of a weird thing in the parcel. I don't know what it looked like. We'll get this bag off. I don't want to try and cut the bag because I might be able to use it, for some rubbish or There we go there. So there's a few different parts in here. We'll just have to cut away at it and get to it all. Yeah, so she's fairly all wrapped up. Let's get this piece, see if I can get this piece off here first. So what it is, it's a camp oven, a spun steel one, and also it is a spike for putting in the ground. So there's the spike there for putting in the ground, and on here you get a couple of poles. Now I bought this as a kit. I think it was about 430 bucks or something like that. So I'll just pull that out. So this part here, so that's your spike, your main spike for putting into the ground. You got a little piece on the bottom here which obviously goes towards the ground, and you push that into the ground, and then you can hammer a spike in it to hold it, stop it from moving. And the way I see it is you put it running that way with your camp oven accessories coming out this way, so that this supports the weight of the pole and stops it from bending over. And that's my understanding on how it works without using it yet. And these things here, they go on there like that. You get two of those, and they're for hanging your utensils and gloves, billies, anything like that on there. So that's pretty good. So that's the first part. This part here, that's the ring for holding the camp oven. Now you can get these in a large and a small. I got the smaller one. I didn't really want the larger one. There is a larger one of these. And this here, got that hammered in the ground. You just put that over there, and that's it. How easy is that to set up fire under here? Pretty simple, eh? That's what I liked about it. It's very simplistic. And then all you got to do to move it, you get a pair of tongs or something, and you can spin that around and move it anywhere over your fire. So they've been making these for a lot of years, and I'm pretty online. So you got a little trivet here. So that's another piece I got with the kit. So I did buy this all as a kit. You can purchase all these separately. So I've got a little, well, great looking canvas bag. So this will be where the camp oven will live, in this canvas bag here. And you can see on there, Hillbilly Camp Gear. So that's a great little canvas bag that they've got made. And as far as I know, this is all made in Australia. So you get a little bit of literature on all the parts and everything in here. And they got on the back, there's a big literature there about seasoning, which I'll do, how to season everything. And on the front there, you got all the kit, everything that's in the kit in there. So, and on the top there, what I like the most, Australian made camp ovens and accessories. So this is all Aussie made. So right here, that's your lid for your camp oven, steel, and hopefully the camera will pick that up, but in the top there you got a map of Australia and Hillbilly Camp Gear stamped in there. So this can also be used as a fry pan in the camp oven. So just, yeah, just loving this. In here, I'll go into more detail. This is a collar that fits inside the camp oven. You put your veggies in here and you can roast your veggies inside the camp oven. So it just slips inside the camp oven there, and you can roast veggies. So that's another part of it. He also sent me out, I was talking to him, when I was talking to him, telling him I had a little bit of a YouTube channel, he did send me these. A couple of Hillbilly camping gear stubby coolers. So They are on the back. It's got all their website details, camp ovens, cook stands, barbecue, hot plates and fry pans. So they sell all sorts of cooking stuff. They've got some great looking gear. Check them out, Hillbilly Camp Gear. Support an Aussie business. Now in the camp oven here itself, just got to cut a little bit more plastic away. Everything looks like it's arrived undamaged, which is always a bonus. That's your handle for your camp oven. It's a bit different to a lot of them you see. I'll just tip this up because there's another part in here. So you've got another little trivet that fits in the bottom of the camp oven to keep your meat off the bottom of the camp oven. And there's your camp oven. So spun steel, very light. The reason this is why I got this. Look at that. Very light, but very strong. My cast iron camp oven, it's a tiny bit smaller than this and weighs 3 times as much. So it'll be staying at home here. I'll probably use it at home here, or if we camp around close to town, we'll probably use it. But this will be my travelling camp oven from now on. This here is an extension collar for the camp oven. So this is what another thing I love about this. That fits inside that camp oven there. Look how deep the sides are now on that camp oven. So you can fit a big roast in there. Then you can put your top piece on. Look at this handle though. That just clips in under there. Spread that apart. And that locks everything together. So you can't spill anything. It's all locked together. Aussie ingenuity at its best. Look at that. That thing still weighs less than my other camp oven. And it's bigger. Now I bought a couple of extras with it. Again, instructions on how to season the fry pans. So we've always wanted some good fry pans. Mate, that one feels solid, I tell ya. Again, it's got the Hillbilly logo stamped into the bottom of it, and it's got the same mechanism for holding it up. How quick and easy was that? So you can just swing it around, have your camp oven going over there, swing your pot over the fire, and away you go. Bob's your uncle. Oh mate, I'm so excited about this. A wok. What's a wok for? Throwing at wabbits. My father always says that. Never got it till I was a bit older, but a wok's for throwing at wabbits. But a wok is great if you like cooking up foods in a wok. Again, same sort of easy setup. It's just counterweight, so this just holds up. You can put that over your fire, cook up your rice, whatever, veggies, have a great meal, do some curried chicken or something like that. The possibilities are endless. No, I reckon if Annie hits me with it, it won't go out of shape. So, wow guys. So that's everything I bought. Pretty well there. That's the unboxing. Hillbilly Camp Gear. I'll put their website details up there or at the end of the video. Check them out. There'll be future videos coming up with this, showing you what it's all about. So don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to know anything, leave a message in the comments and I'll get back to you. Cheers, stay safe, be kind to each other, and we'll see you on the next one.